Hello, today in this video we will show you how a customer can install the SSL certificate. The first step is to open a browser. Go incognito if you prefer, then on the top type the following link and click enter. In the new window that opens, select the last file named readme.md. Copy the first line and then search for PowerShell and click Run as administrator. Paste the copied first line into the opened administrator PowerShell window and wait for a second. Then proceed with the second line. The SSL certificate is installed.